In a world where love can be tested, there's a power that stands above all. It's a love that conquers without destroying, a love that builds bridges instead of walls. True love knows no boundaries, no limitations. It sees beyond differences and embraces all with compassion and understanding. It's a love that uplifts, empowers, and inspires. It brings out the best in us, guiding us through life's challenges with grace and strength. True love heals wounds, mends broken hearts, and brings harmony, even the most tumultuous situations. It's a force that unites, never dividing. Let's embrace this love, spreading it far and wide. True love conquers all, leaving no one behind and destroying nothing in its path. True love starts within us, radiating outwards, transforming lives, and making the world a better place.